Now we will discuss the integration of an exponential function. The two formulas are given here. Number one is e raised to power ax dx is equal to e raised to power ax over a plus c, and similarly if you have e raised to power some function and then f dash of x dx, then answer will be e raised to power f of x plus c. Okay, this is first example. In first example you can solve this question by the upper formula, this one. You just place e raised to power 4x and divide it by 4 plus c. It is very easy. Similarly, if you have e raised to power minus 2x, just e raised to power minus 2x divided by minus 2 plus c. Similarly, if you have e raised to power 1 by 2x dx, then you will get e raised to power 1 by 2x divided by 1 by 2 plus c, and finally after some simplification you will get e raised to power 1 by x 1 by 2x plus c. So this will be your final answer. This is the basically actually the rehearsal of this formula e raised to power x, and this is a very simple way to find the result. But what about this formula? If you have a function like this, similarly you can prove the above formula by using this formula, because for instance if you have a general formula e raised to power ax dx, so just select what will be fx. Your fx will be ax. If we take the first derivative of this function, you will get a. It means if you substitute these values into the given formula, then what will you get? Then you will get e raised to power ax, and the derivative is a. So if the derivative is not present here, because you are differentiating this function and the derivative of that function is not present here, so that's why you will multiply and divide it by a. And now you can see the derivative of the upper function e raised to power ax, the derivative of ax is a. If you want to produce a over here, so you have to divide by a out of the function, out of the integral. Then after integration you will left e raised to power f of x. F of x over here is ax, and this 1 over a will be over here. So now you can prove this exponential integral. So similarly there are so many examples you can place over here. For instance, if you have e raised to power sin x into cos x dx, if you want to integrate this integral, just check the upper function is sin x, the derivative of sin x is cos x, so it means you can apply this formula. The final result will be e raised to power sin x then plus c. So these are the examples for the exponential function. So exponential function is very easy to handle.